Did you know you can extract text from any image using Google Photos? Stop typing manually. Here is a super easy trick to copy text in seconds. So hello guys, welcome back to our new video. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to extract the text from any images in Google Photos. So let's start the video. First of all, open the Google Photos on your phone. Then select the image that contains text on it. Then you will see the third option, Google Lens, at the bottom bar. Tap on it. Then Lens will detect the text in the image. Then tap on the select option and tap on copy to save it to your clipboard. You can now paste the text anywhere, like in notes, messages, documents, ChatGPT or DeepSeek. And an interesting fact about it that after extracting text you can directly paste it into Google Docs for editing also. This method works for handwriting, if clear and printed text. So that's it for this video. If this video helped you, then hit the like button and do subscribe for more videos like this. Bye bye, see you all in the next video.